Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. So we have almost completed 10th portion in our channel, and if you haven't watched that video, you can watch it now. I will provide the link in the description box below. In that video, in that series, we have learned about past tense, present tense, future tense and its forms as well. So if you want to watch that, you can watch. I will give the link in the description box. So today our topic is grammar important if we want to speak English fluently? So my answer would be no. Obviously you can speak English without going through all the tenses, speeches, because many people are there who can speak English very smoothly, very fluently, even though they do not understand, they do not know how to use all the tenses and where to use could, should, but they anyhow manage to speak English. But if you want to speak English without making any grammatical mistake, you have to go through tenses, voices, speeches, and all this video I'm going to upload on my YouTube channel. Okay. And we have already discussed this in my first video that if you want to speak English, there are 3 steps that you need to follow. First is grammar, second is vocabulary, and third is practice. So if you want to ask me anything regarding grammar, you can ask me in the comment section below, okay? And the second thing is vocabulary. So you have to make maximum, I can say 10 words in your daily life and you have to use it. Third one is practice. Obviously, practice is very much necessary if we want to learn any language, because obviously English is a language. And if we want to learn any language, we have to speak. But one problem is there. If you do not have any partner whom you can talk with in English, so you may face many problems. So for that, many apps and websites are also available. You can take benefit from them. So you can go for that type of websites and apps. There you will find any partner and whom you can practice with. So you have to give like 15 to 20 minutes each day. So to follow this process, then very soon you can become fluent in English. So this was my video, and today we have discussed is English grammar important if we want to speak English? So my answer would be 50-50. Because if you want to speak English without making any grammatical mistake, you have to go through grammar. But that doesn't mean that English grammar is very much important. If you don't know how to use tenses, voices, still you can speak English. But if you want to speak English without making any grammatical mistake, just go through that. Just go through tenses, voices. Okay? So this was my video. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye-bye and take care.